Master the art of question forms in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of asking questions in a questionnaire. Specifically, we'll focus on the critical topic of using appropriate question forms. This will equip you with the right skills to frame your questions effectively, eliciting the most accurate and useful responses. So, let's get started. First things first, we need to understand that there are different types of questions that we can use, each serving its unique purpose. 1. Yes. No questions. These are questions that can be answered with a simple yes or no. They usually begin with a verb such as do, is, are, etc. For example, do you like pizza? Are you a student? 2. WH questions. These questions are used to gather more information and usually begin with who, what, where, when, why, or how. For example, where do you live? What is your favorite book? 3. Choice questions. These questions provide specific options for the respondent to choose from. For example, do you prefer tea or coffee? Would you rather read a book or watch a movie? 4. Open-ended questions. These are questions that allow the respondent to freely express their thoughts or feelings. For example, what did you think of the last movie you saw? How would you describe your ideal vacation? Now that we understand different types of questions, let's discuss how to choose the appropriate question form for your questionnaire. 1. Context is key. You must first understand what kind of information you seek. For binary answers, use yes, no questions. For more detailed responses, use WH questions or open-ended questions. If you're trying to gauge a preference between certain options, choice questions are your go-to. 2. Avoid leading questions. A good questionnaire is neutral and does not influence the respondent's answer. Avoid framing questions in a way that leads to a particular answer. For example, instead of asking, "You liked the pizza, didn't you?" ask, "Did you like the pizza?" 3. Keep it simple. Avoid using complex language or jargon in your questions. The simpler and clearer your question, the easier it will be for the respondent to understand and answer it. That wraps up our lesson on using appropriate question forms. Remember, choosing the right question form is crucial for collecting meaningful data. The right questions will lead you to the right answers. Keep practicing with different question forms and soon, you'll be a pro at creating effective questionnaires. We hope this video has been helpful and enlightening. As always, don't forget to practice what you've learned today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and see you in our next video. Happy learning!